from group 1. So here we can tell you about this presentation, the title of the structure and strategy. So happy watching!
Alright, first slide, the relation between strategy and structure in organization. The relationship between strategy and structure in an organization independent. Organizational structure is designed to support the chosen strategy, where the chosen strategy is often the least by exciting structure. And next slide, impact of strategy and choice and structure and vice versa. Follow structure. Structure 1. Structure follow strategy. Top down. Management set strategy and adjust the structure for implementation. And 2. Strategy follow structure, bottom up. Structure eliminates strategy choice and influence the flow of information, decision, or making. And last, dynamic interaction. Both elements influence each other. Management adapt to structure and the structure evolves respond to new challenge. Organization. One organization strategy affects structure and middle line support staff less operating core. And Heisenberg organization theory, and organization is made up the 5 main components that function with a 6-component style organization, ideology, or culture.
Type of business structure. The first, entrepreneurial structure. Typically, a single owner, manager in a small business who has specialist knowledge of the product or service and has total control over the running of the business. The second is functional structure. Functional structure leads to departments that are defined by their function. Specialism means the firm is more efficient and can benefit, lead to conflict, and the bureaucracy can hamper cross-functional innovation and creativity. And the third, divisional structure. The divisional structure, each business can be divided into the autonomous unit based on geography. Product or market divisional structure can be adapted for growth and diversification and are most suitable for longer diversified business. Flexible structure. The first, network organization. The idea of a network structure is applied both within and between organizations. Within the organization, the term is used to mean something that resembles both the organic organization discussed earlier. Organizations are now able to structure their activity very differently. First, staffing. And second, leasing of facility. Third, production. And fourth, interdependence. The second, the Samrock organization, largely driven by pressure to reduce personnel costs and to adapt to new market imperative. And then there has been an increase in the use of part-time and temporary contract of employment. This allows rapid downsizing in time of reducing or slow growth and can save on the cost of benefits such as pensions, holiday pay, and health insurance.
So I can tell you about the issue for the divisional organization. It's one centralization versus decentralization. Centralization refers to decision making authority retained to the upper level, while the decentralization diligence is the lever level, and these two are rules for the success divisionalization. Divisionalization structure enables management to focus on the performance, adapt to the competition, and follow finance comparison across the division. Is next slide, performance management of division. In the performance management have 4 steps. One is the planning, monitoring, review, and the rating. In the planning, we can start SMART for the goals and acting on the them, and the monitoring to check in and the feedback, and the review we can check review goals complements at the circle, and the rating is the last for the rating employer and the reading them. The transfer pricing between the division. The transfer is the price which one division in the group sells in the product or the service to other division in the same group. the division, buying and the selling with the order and the leader to the transfer price. And we have an example, this one, transfer of the finance gold to transfer of staff and the customer, 3 and the provide and the central service. You can look about this table. Example, division 1, car the manufacturer, then division 2 and B sell car sales. And we have a finance market in the 2 divisions.
Okay, today I will explain about governance. Corporate governance is about what the board of the organization does and how it sets the value of the organization, and it's to be distinguished from day-to-day management and operational by full-time business executive. And then you can look up at the picture about this explanation about it's about corporate governance and strategic management. From the top of it is accountabilities and supervision, and the below is direction and executive action. The next is structure of governance and compliance standard. The key principles in this corporate governance code are follow the leadership, effectivities, accountabilities, remuneration, and relationship with shareholders. And you can look out at this photo for the example from this structure. Okay, the next is the role of the board and non-executive. Board of direction in Bangladesh have 5 principal roles, and the first is accountabilities. The second is supervision, and next direction, executive action, and risk assessment and management. And next is non-executive director, NED. So an independent interview to the issue of strategic performance and research and strategic conduct. Okay, done.
Okay, this presentation our group. Thank you.